Hello techies. Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
Now you can see it has been changed to picklist. And we have copied. Okay. Now we can able to go and refresh it. Okay. Now I will go to the mid direction. Let me check if I have some drop-down value. Distance area. Okay. This something how we are creating a custom field and how we are adding a predefined value with the help of a pick list. Okay. So again, I will go here and go to the mid directions. Scroll down and let me delete it. Now I will try to create another custom field and take another data. Here as a let me take as a division. I taking something as a division. Okay. Let me take as a division area. I taking and I am taking here also as a 32 character. And this division area I need to have the value which should come from I need to a value which should have from where I get the code, where division is a work. Division is also an MDF object. Right. So MDF object is also define it in where. Configure object. Definition correct. So I can search division here to get my code. Here. Correct. So when I go and select, you can see and we'll paste it here. Okay. So finally, I'm creating a custom field that is division area. But I want that it should take the generic object. And for that generic object, which object code I need to take for the division, when I will take it for the division, what will happen whatever is the division in the managed in the managed data, whatever the values which we have created, that values will start populating. Okay. So when I click on Done here, and when I click, so I have done something where I miss something. I created the division, but I have not updated the label. Okay. That only it is saying that it is violating. Okay. So go here. And again, go and save it. Area. Violate. Oh. Sorry. Division. Area. It will have a division area. Just a division area. Okay. Now I done something violating label, but it not the label, not a that has a division area. So it violating the division area, and it violating a division area. So. I. Have. A. Division. Area. Okay. So a. Custom field when I go into that field. The. Value. So coming. From where? From the. Division. Okay. So.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us at sales@upptalk.com.